Hi, everyone. I'm Edison, the CEO of Rlaarlo, and guess what? I've just opened my own YouTube channel.
Nice.
Yep, last night I got zapped by a lightning of inspiration, and this idea went down. Now, speaking of this big idea, I want to cook up a 1/6 scale super speed on-road car. Yep, you heard me right. A definitely 1/6 scale race car. This idea isn't just for me. I want to kick off an action for a collaborative RC workshop.
Oh my God!
We will be setting up 9 professional product ambassadors and some RC lover special guests. And these lucky folks will become a part of this project, joining us in the research, design, and construction. Hello? Oh, marketing team? No budget? All right. So, just hold on. I don't have signal. So, marketing team just said there's no coin left in the piggy bank. But I've made up my mind. I'm going to spend my own money to support projects. So, if you're excited to be our guest, PLZ click the apply link below. In the next update, you're going to meet 9 mystery product ambassadors and learn the inner work schedule of Edison RC Workshop. The last, as a big owner with 2 piggy banks, this time we will randomly select 10 outstanding commenters to gift them a 8-channel LCD display remote controller with a built-in gyro by Rlaarlo and RC.
Yes!
See you next time. Bye-bye.